Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about 10th standard Geography Unit 1 Major Physiographic Divisions of India. There are 5 physiographic divisions. First one is the Himalayan Mountain, second one is the Great Northern Plains, third one is the Peninsular Plateau, fourth one is the Indian Desert, fifth one is Coastal Plains and Islands. First one is Himalayan Mountains. The Himalayas are one of the youngest mountain ranges on the earth. Himalaya is a mountain range in Asia, separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The range has many of the earth's highest peaks. They formed only few million years ago. It stretches for a distance of 2500 km, and it is from the Indus Gorge west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. The Pamir Knot, popularly known as the roof of the world, it is connecting link between the Himalayas and the high range of Central Asia. Then Himalaya means the abode of snow. This Himalaya is divided by 3 divisions. First one is the Trans-Himalaya, second one is the Himalayas, third one is Eastern or Purvanchal hills. I'll show a map. Here it is Pamir Knot. It is the roof of the world, and then this is Trans-Himalayas, and then this part is Himalayas, and this is Purvanchal, Eastern Himalayas. Trans-Himalayas, we are known as it is the Western Himalayas. It lies in the Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan plateau. It is known as Tibetan Himalayas. It contains tethys sediments and metamorphic sediments. Jaskar, Ladakh, Kailash and Karakoram are the prominent ranges. And then Himalayas, it is an young fold mountains. It is formed the movement of Angara landmass in the north and Gondwana landmass in the south. Then 3 divisions. First one is the Greater Himalaya, then the Lesser Himalayas, and then Symbolics. These are 3 Himalayan divisions. So Greater Himalayas, all the lofty peaks of Himalayas are located here. Mount Everest, it is situated in the Nepal. It is 8,848 meter, and then Kanchenjunga between Nepal and Sikkim, it's 8,586 meter. This region of the permanent snow covering area, and it has so many glaciers like Gangotri, Yamunotri and Siachen. So here it is Mount Everest. I show a map to you. Here it is Mount Everest, and then it is a Kanchenjunga, and then third one is Purvanchal Hills. Most of these hills are located along the border of India and Myanmar. These are the eastern offshoot of Himalayas, Dafla Hills, Abdor Hills and Mississippi Hills and Palkai Bum Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Gara Hills, Goshi Hills are the hills which are collectively known as Purvanchal Hills. These all are hills are locating here. This place we call Purvanchal Hills. And in the Great Northern Plains, the fertile land extended across the 7 northern Indian states from the Great Northern Plains. The length of the plain is about 2,400 km. The width varies 240 to 320 km. It covers an area of over 7 lakh square kilometers. Then important characteristics feature of the sediment deposition in the plains are the Bobber Plain and the Tarai Tract, the Bongar Plain, the Khadar Plains and Delta Plains. These are the important sediment characters. And then the third one is the Peninsular Plateau. The plateau region, this plateau region is lies to the south of the Great Northern Plains. It is the largest physiographic division of India, and it covers an area 16 lakh square kilometer. It is Aravalli Hills make the north and western boundary of the plateau region. The peak of Anaimudi is the highest point of the plateau. River Narmada divides this plateau region of India broadly into 2 parts. The region lying to the north of the Narmada is called Central Plains. The region lying the south of the Narmada is called Deccan Plateau. Here it is, I am showing the Narmada River where it is located. Here it is this. Here it is Narmada River. This river divide this peninsular plateau. This is Central Highlands and this is Deccan Plateau. Here it is shows the Deccan Plateau. And the shape of the plateau is roughly triangular shape and joining Kanyakumari with Rajmahal Hills, and the line passes through the Eastern Ghats. The area of their plateau is about 7 lakh square kilometer. And then fourth one is the Indian Desert. The Thar Desert, it is a great Indian desert. It is situated in northwestern part of the India, area 2 lakh kilometers square. It is the 7th largest in the world and the 9th largest subtropical desert. And this desert lies western part of the Aravalli ranges and cover 2/3 of Rajasthan. So here it is the Thar Desert. I will show it. Here it is Thar Desert is located, the Great Indian Desert. It has two divisions. First one is actual desert region. Second one is the semi-desert region. Fifth one is the coastal plains. They were formed by the deposited actions of rivers and the erosional and the depositional action of the river's sea waves. The coastal plains are divided into the following two divisions. First one is the West Coastal Plain. Second one is Eastern Coastal Plains. West Coastal Plains, it lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Here it is the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats is here. So this Western Coastal Plains is located here. The Konkan Coast, and then this is Kandra, and then Malabar Coast. These are the Western Coastal Plains. This plains is known as Konkan Plain, and the middle part of the plain is Kanara, and the southern part of the plain is Malabar Coast. And then backwaters called Coils and Terrace. Vembanadu is the famous backwater lake. And then Eastern Coastal Plains, it is lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, and the stretches along the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Here it is West Bengal and Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Here it is the Eastern Coastal Plain is located here. This coastal plains has a regular shoreline with well-defined beaches. The Marina Beach is on the coast of Chennai, the second largest beach in the world. Kolleru Lake and Pulicat Lake also the well-known lakes in the East Coastal Plains. So this place is called Eastern Coastal Plains. Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The middle part of the places are the Eastern Coastal Plains. And then islands, two major islands, Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. These are two major islands groups. Andaman Nicobar is 572 islands located Bay of Bengal, and it is volcanic origin. India's only active volcano is found on the Boran Islands. It is in Andaman Nicobar, and then area of the group is 8,249 square kilometer. The two divisions of Andaman Nicobar, first one is Andaman, it is in the north. Second one is the Nicobar, it is in south. And then Port Blair is the administrative capital of Andaman Nicobar. Then Indira Point is the southernmost tip is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. And then Lakshadweep, it is in 27 islands. It is in the Arabian Sea located. Then small group, it is 32 square kilometer. Then Kavarati is administrative capital. And then Bit Island of this group has a bird sanctuary. It was named as Lakshadweep in 1973.